I mean, in broadcasting terms, you can look at all sorts of bits and pieces over the years, whether it was the presentation of the Eurovision Song Contest, which I was reluctant to undertake, but the then chairman of the RT Authority said, because I said to him, look, if I do this, can I come back and still interview the Taoiseach? And he said, forget about domestic affairs. This is for Europe. Just do it for Europe. It's a one-off. Have a bit of fun with it. And I did that. So I can look back on things like that and say how much I enjoy doing it. Any regret that surrounds that is that I had offer after offer after offer after offer coming in from the UK, and I turned them all down to work here. And that's always one of those crossroads moments where you say, well, if I'd said yes to those, everything else would have been different. So at the time it would have been a very significant move, and I didn't make it at the time. So that's the only thing, you're left wondering, because you always want to pitch yourself against the best there is in your business. If you're a footballer, you want to be in the Premiership. If you're a broadcaster, you'd like to be working in a bigger market. And it's a small niggle, but no more than that.